All right, we're going to start by removing these two external screws on the battery pack. It would remove the battery pack and set that aside. And then now we'll remove these four external screws on the main housings. All right, so we'll be focusing on the front housing. We want to start by removing the two internal screws here. We'll remove this internal bracket, set that aside for later, and now remove the display assembly. Just want to lift up and out. We'll set that aside. This foam, the display foam inside, we'll also set that aside and grab our replacements here. So start by placing the foam inside, orientated like so. That should lay flat. And we grab our new display assembly. We want to align this within the bumpers inside of the housing here so it lays down flat. On the board side in the back, make sure we push down at the bottom here and it should lay relatively flat. Now using our bracket from earlier, we're going to line up these two posts with the holes in the housing and press that into place. Finally ending with torquing down these two screws to the value listed in the product manual. From here, we'll just line up the front and back housings together and tighten down these four external screws to the torque value listed in the product manual. And then just insert the battery pack like so and power down the unit when it turns on. Just need to torque down these two external screws to that value listed in the product manual.